Welcome to the Fields of Code tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will be looking at billing reports. Please note that it is suggested that you have first viewed the Introduction to Reporting and Creating a Basic Report tutorials. We are going to take a look at our patient Colleen, and we'll begin by opening the patient gateway and Colleen's file. If we look at the Billing tab, we can see that Colleen has recently had an exam which include polishing, scaling, and 2 x-rays. And most recently, she has had a root canal. To bill Colleen for these treatments, we will use the Report Gateway to create a billing report. And we will begin by creating a report, a new report, and we will call it Billing. For this report, we are going to add several data markers. Using the Add One or More Data Markers to the canvas, we will add the current date in short format with day of week. Under Billing, the selected treatment bill, detailed, and under Personal, the patient's address, including city, province, and postal code, and the patient's first and last name. And I'll add these and arrange them on the canvas. So you see that I have taken those data markers and arranged them on the canvas. And for clarity, I have also added our clinic logo and our clinic address, which is a multi-line user text box. And if you look over here on the user text properties, you can see that I've changed many lines to yes. And I've also added a separator line here just to make it look better. We look at the print preview and check out the layout, and it looks good. So the next thing I need to do is attach this report to Colleen's patient document. I'll save my report using the Save All Changes button on the toolbar on the top. Close the report design canvas and open the patient gateway and open Colleen's patient file. Now I'll use the Report tab on the patient file, and then using the List, Add, and Remove Attached Reports, I'll go to Add and add the billing report we just created. Note that when we attach this report, the system requests that you select the treatment to be billed using the message window seen here. Choose Select, and then we choose the exam, which is the treatment we would like to bill today. Accept, and choose OK. And when we close this window, on the attached report, we can see that this is in fact the treatment included on the billing report: the exams, the polishing, and the scaling. Once the report is attached, it is easy to go back and change the selected treatment. We do this by going back to the List, Add, and Remove Attached Reports. Once we highlight the report, the bottom window down here shows the selected treatment. To change it, we click the Change Input button, choose Select, and we could now choose the root canal treatment and accept the selection. Now the attached report reflects the new treatment selection, which was a root canal. Let us return to the Report Gateway. And since our billing report that we created includes almost everything that we need, we simply copy the report by using the Copy button on the right here. And then open that report. And we can remove the selected treatment bill data marker by clicking and highlighting, choosing Delete Selected Element, and instead we'll add the latest treatment bill data marker. And using our mouse, we can click and hold drag it into the desired position. And we can save the changes. And if we go into the Details button on the left here, we can change this reporting name to reflect that it is the latest treatment bill. And then save all changes. So we'll return to Colleen's patient document, and we'll add the new billing report using List, Add, and Remove Attached Reports. We choose Add and choose the report we just created. And using the drop-down box, we can change to that report. Notice that when we did add this report, we were not prompted to select a treatment, as the system pulls the latest treatment from Colleen's patient file, which in this case was the root canal. For easy billing, these two reports can now be attached to all of our patient documents.